Well, hey everybody, this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today I have a very special pair of shoes, and it is a shoe weekend for me, and I'm visiting a shoe factory, and I got these pair of shoes before I left, and I wanted to make sure that I did the unboxing so you guys could all see what they are. But this is from Hiro out in Tokyo. He made a pair of shoes for me. I've been waiting for them for, I think, since September. It's now end of April. They arrived today, so I wanted to make sure that I got a look at them sometime this weekend. Now, you can see I got an extra pair of laces here, which is always very nice. And these are packed for shipping, as you can see. I posted some pictures of these before, but not anything on how it was done. So if you look at the waist, these are hand welted and hand stitched. Take a look at the stitch density there. It's very, very high. And then of course, looks like a blind welt, fiddleback sole with my initials, toe plate. Just a really nice looking pair of shoes. Now what I'm going to do is just put my finger across. It's very flush, very clean, pitched heels. You can see the heel stuck here. You can't see them on the inside because he actually took the time to dye it. So as we look here, very carved heel, but relatively thick pieces of leather that he did that with. This is Anane hedge grain, which is different for me. Very, very nice. Look at the skid stitch that he did. And of course, this stitch is done by hand. And this is a 3-eye. So now he did a little bit of a last adjustment on this shoe for me to make them fit better. So I am looking forward to it. You see that these are hinged trees. So very nice, as I would expect, right? So the question is how do these shoes compare to shoes at a lesser price point? And that's hard to tell from an unboxing. I can tell you that the lining, the hatch grain, is all exceptional leather. And by every measure, the craftsmanship that I can see at first glance is also exceptional. So, the proportions are very, very high end. The design itself is very Hiro. He always tends to go a little bit different from the norm, but within the realm of the standard as he's looking at these particular shoes. So I'm very excited about these. Can't wait to get them on the hoof, but won't be getting them on the hoof this weekend. Now, something to note, there are no shoe bags. That must not be part of what he includes when he makes a pair of shoes. So interesting, no judgment. Obviously he knows very well what he's doing. So excited to see how this all comes together, and we'll post again on these soon after I get them on the hoof. Thanks.